So you may have heard of people talk about a HELOC, but are unsure of what it is. Well, a HELOC is an acronym for a home equity line of credit, which gives you access to up to 65% of the appraised value of your home. Now, people will use this line of credit for debt consolidation, investment opportunities, renovations, or even a down payment for a secondary property. When using a home equity line of credit, the bank only expects you to pay the interest accrued on the loan each month. So it's a way of keeping your costs down and access to money when needed. And furthermore, the HELOC is offered at a lower interest rate than most personal loans or unsecured lines of credit, as it is secured to your property. So if you feel as though a home equity line of credit is perfect for you or something that you'd benefit from, reach out to the team at Patrick Mortgage Services, as we'd love to help. All the best. If you found this video informative, please subscribe and share.